Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this right here. This is actually the Brica Deluxe Kick Mat, and it's a great way to protect your car upholstery. So I recently installed this and I want to review it with you, okay? So I haven't had the pleasure of using this for several weeks or anything like that. So just to be clear, this is not a review from the standpoint of having used this for a long time. That's why it's perfectly clean. But, you know, it's very, very simple and straightforward. So I'm going to assume that what I say today is, very similar to someone who has used this for several weeks. So the installation was very, very simple. As you can see right here, there's one strap on the top that goes over the sort of headrest area of the vehicle. And then there's another strap down here that goes around the bottom, okay? This one is elastic-like, which is really, really good to make it easier to install. And it's great because then you can bring it down as far as you want because the headrest area is going to be very similar for most cars, but the lower area will be very different for the majority of vehicles depending on the model that you're installing it on. So it's very much so, it allows it to be a universal seat protector, okay? These straps are both also adjustable. This one has an adjusting piece over here. It's hard to see, but with where the buckle is, and also if you look over here, this one also has an adjustment that you can make to tighten it up over here. I just leave it loosely like that. Now it's great because it protects the upholstery of the car. So if you a kid is putting their feet against the chair and shoes are dirty, you don't want it to get the back of the chair dirty, especially if you're in a relatively new vehicle. So yeah, and even if it does have leather seats, because these are easy to clean, you don't want to be spending your time cleaning the seats all the time. It's easier just to clean this thing. It feels really durable. Super easy to install. This is a Honda Odyssey van, so the seats are really, really large. And as you can see, it covers the entire seat area. So even in a vehicle of this nature, it covers the whole seat area. I like the design, very, very simple design over here. The one downside, and I believe there are other options if this is a huge deal breaker for you, is that you do lose the storage. So, as you can see, there's a pocket here, and now with this covering it, you can't get to the pocket. I have seen, though, when I was looking with my wife, I believe we saw, we got this a while ago. I only installed it recently, but we got it a while ago. But essentially, I think we did see other ones with lots of pockets, but we wanted a sleek design. Now, the good thing is that if you do want to access that pocket right there, you can just go like this and get to it. So it's not that it's not available, but you just have to take an extra step. And if anything, I like that because it's almost like a hidden pocket, almost like that of a kangaroo pouch, to the point where you don't see the pocket there. You don't need it. But then when you need something, you're like, oh, wait, I have this hidden storage compartment right here. So, I like that. I view it as an upside, but some people might view it as a downside. So I figured that I would mention it. Other than that, very sleek design. The material feels super, super, super durable. You can see I'm going nuts on it right now, and there's no marks. So super, super durable. And that's it. I just wanted to review it with you in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.